What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell. So whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. We're talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, the Hussle family, King Hussle crazy reactions, King Hussle X1M, and turn motivation into millions. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. Alright, so please be aware of all the King Hussle scam pages on IG, Telegram, YouTube, you name it. Alright? Before y'all send y'all money to anybody, please get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure whoever you talking to is me and you're not getting scammed and you're doing legit business. Alright? And before we get anything started, this is all educational and entertainment purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to go do anything. So let's get this thing started. So, y'all know me, I just like to drop gems. I just like to drop hacks all over the place, how to loans all over the place, places where to get money, places how to become financially stable, financially free, right? So today we're going to be talking about how, another credit hack, basically. I'm going to just show y'all how to hack y'all credit and get points all over the place, but you just got to sign up and do certain things, right? So today I'm going to be talking about 2 places how you can boost your credit up 200 points in no time, all right? So the first thing we're going to do before we boost any credit up, and this process, this method, this step, whatever you want to call it, can be used to get loans, credit cards, lines of credit, etc., and you name it, all right? So please pay attention and take notes and pause, rewind, whatever you got to do to keep getting this information installed in your head, in your brain, so you can know what to do when the time comes, all right? So everybody out there wants to build credit. Everybody out there wants to get their credit score up. Everybody wants to be in the 800 credit scores, the 700 credit scores, willy-nilly. Cool. First of all, you got to know what's going on in your credit report, all right? You got to know what's your 3 FICO scores, what's on your collections, and all the increase you got going on, right? Because a lot of people don't understand. Everything is based off the debt on your CP, your credit profile. If you got a high debt and you're paying off that debt on time, that's good. You got a high debt and you're not paying that debt back, that's going to affect your credit scores. And that's what a lot of people don't understand. So when people are building their credit, you got to know what's good debt and what's bad debt. And good debt is debt that you can literally have on your credit that you're paying back monthly on with exceptional payment history. Bad debt is collection or accounts you're not paying back at all, right? So it all depends on what you want to do when you're building your credit. If you want to delete everything, if you want to delete a couple things, it all depends, right? So what I would do is I will literally check out my credit report, get my credit profile, go, like I told you, freeze all your credit profiles across the stage, Experian, TransUnion, Equifax. Freeze all 3 of your FICOs. Once you freeze it, you can either dispute all your accounts on your credit profile or you dispute the ones that you want to fall off or you want to get off. And FYI, like I told you guys before in all the other videos, any account on your credit profile, your CP, that's over 7 years or older is deemed to be expired. So it's is really not supposed to be on your credit, right? So those are the easiest ones to get off your credit profile. So student loans, anything over 7 years, you can get those off they expire off your credit, right? You got to dispute and get them off. Boom. You want to start getting credit cards. You want to start getting installment loans. You want to start doing all these things. You want to have a high debt on your credit profile. So like I said, clean it up and then go add trade lines, right? So today we're going to be talking about 2 places that you can go and get you quick 200 points. So like I said, don't try to jump on it, add these trade lines. Clean your credit up a little bit, then add these trade lines so it can look better, so you can have a better age credit profile and it can look better, right? So today we're going to talk about eCredible and we're going to be talking about Rent Reporters, all right? And these 2 places will literally get you in the game. In a couple of days, will start growing your credit score. As long as you're making payments, as long as you're making the things that you need to do, you'll be good. And Incredible, a lot of people be asking me, man, why my credit, paying my cell phone bill all the time. I'm paying oh, my utility bill all the time, man. I'm paying my internet service, man. I need to put this on my. I wish I could put this on my credit. I wish I could put all my bills on my credit, because you do know every single bill that you paying can be used on as your like a payment towards your credit score, and it can enhance your credit score. So, you want any bill that anybody out there is paying, make it make sense. Utilize it for your credit score. So today I'm gonna be talking about where you can utilize your cell phone bill, your utility bills, your internet service, and your rent for your credit score. All right. So without further ado, let's get into these two sites and let's get to boosting up them credit scores. So today we're gonna be talking about Incredible. Use Incredible to raise your credit score overnight. Yes, overnight. I already give you some examples over here. Phone bill a month, $70 a month. Payment amount, 70. Power, it reflects. So get credit paying utility bills on time. Don't have a credit score, just starting to build credit. I'm rebuilding my credit. No credit, no credit. Here's how Incredible helps you. Getting your first credit score is as easy as reporting bills you already pay on TransUnion. You can report cell phone account, utility accounts, internet services. Get 2 credit scores every month, FICO score 9 and Infinite score 3.0. 90% of the top lenders use FICO credit scores. Check out which factors have the most influence on your credit score so you can focus on making them better. Now you can see the utility accounts you report to TransUnion and your credit scores in one place. So raise your credit score from TransUnion. Report your utility accounts on your TransUnion credit report may raise your FICO score 8 and Infinite score 3.0 credit scores overnight. And you can match your credit profile with financial offers that are more likely to qualify you. Monitor your credit at TransUnion. Get a monthly TransUnion credit report and Vintage 3.0 score. Receive alerts when there are any changes to your credit report. Vintage score simulator. See the impact of your reporting utility accounts on your credit score. Manage your money. It's hard to manage your financial life when your accounts are scattered all over the place. Bring everything into focus by linking your utility accounts, bank accounts, savings, credit card, investments, and insurance accounts into one place. All right, so it gives you another breakdown. So it basically tells you everything right here. Important information. Results may vary. So don't be thinking, like, oh, I'm gonna get 100 points tonight. No. So just make sure you read that. So this is the plans they got. They got the $24 a year. Choose this plan if you want to raise your FICO score and finish score 3.0 overnight by reporting your utility payments on your TransUnion account. Includes monthly FICO 9 and finish 3.0. Great for people who have no credit score, little credit, or a little process of rebuilding your credit. All right, so CPNs and things like that. Incredible Lift Locker. Choose this plan if you want to raise your FICO 8 and finish 3.0 overnight for your bills. Includes monthly FICO score 9 and finish 3.0. Best for people who want everything all in one app. Credit building, credit monitoring, credit score simulator, spending and cash flow analysts, and personalized budgets to achieve their financial goals. All right, so this is where you go to add all your utility bills, all your phone bills, your internet service, all that good stuff like that, right? So once you do all that, look, hitting with the 29, your credit score got a lift, Then you want to go over here, right? So build your credit by reporting your rent. Let us help you build and improve your credit so you can jumpstart your financial future, right? So your on-time rent payments are not automatically factored into your credit score. After adding their rent into the credit file, our customers see an average increase of 40 points in 10 days. And they report to Equifax and TransUnion. All right, so step 1, our registration process is simple and it takes just a few minutes to provide some basic information about you and your landlord, and you are on your way to a better credit score, all right? We verify your rental history. Do you know we can add up to 4 years to your past rent payments? You can boost your credit score dramatically. Once enrolled, you will contact your landlord to verify your rent history to be sure that you let your landlord know that rent reporters will be calling. We report to your rent to Equifax and TransUnion. Report your rent payment history to the credit bureaus, which will boost your credit in as little as 10 days. It will appear on your credit report as RR residence. We will continue to verify your rent payments, updating your credit report, and improving your credit each and every month. All right. Let your rent do the work and watch your credit improve. Use this credit score to create the life you want to explore your new financial opportunities. Will this mean getting rid of prepaid cell phone plan, qualifying for a lower interest rate credit card, getting that job you really want, or even buying the dream home? All right. So tap in with them. Their prices. They got the monthly $10 plan, free credit score, credit dashboard, personal credit specialist, 24 months of rent history. They got the free credit score, credit dashboard, personal credit specialist, 24-month rent history. Then they got the monthly reporting, expert financial literacy resources, expedited reporting with rent check, spouse roommate discount, additional landlord, VIP expedited reporting 3 to 5 days, additional landlord, spouse roommate discount, expedited reporting with rent check, expert financial literacy resources, and things like that. All right, so you basically just pick which one you need. Money back guarantee. If you're not happy with the initial results, let us know within 7 days, and we're going to remove the rent history from your credit and issue a complete refund. Do you know the longer you report the rent, the more impact it has on your credit? Just like a credit card showing you paid your rent on time over monthly months, years plays an important role on building credit. All right, so go check in with them, tap in. Let's talk about it. Rent reporters and incredible. So let's talk about it. We got incredible and we got rent reporters, all right? Rent reporters will start reporting to your credit profile in at least 8 to 10 days, all right? You get them, they're going to start giving you a boost. As long as you got good rent history for the past 2 to 4 years, you good, all right? Go tap in with them. Incredible. You got cell phone bills, utility bills, and internet bills. You want to start reporting them to your credit profile. Tap in with them, all right? So basically, with everything being said, I'm trying to show you guys all the corners to cut to start improving your credit. All right, I'm showing you everything, all the places that you can go to add every single bill that you have that exists in your life to your credit profile, so you can start improving your credit without having to go get those loans, without having to get those credit cards, without having to get those lines of credits. So these things right here will help you get those things. These things right here will add the payment, the debt history to your credit profile and show that you're making payment histories on time. And it'll show the lenders that they can trust you with them borrowing you, lending you money. Listen, this is going to be, we're going to build our credit. We're going to make sure I get as many people as I can credit together. I will make sure everybody get the loans and the lines of credits and get the business opportunities that they need. Point blank, period. I'm going to drop so many gems and so much sauce that it's going to almost be impossible for you not to know where to go to build your credit and how to build your credit and how to get loans, credit cards, and everything like that. Because you do know knowledge is power. Once you gain this knowledge, once you learn how to do something, you figure out corners. You figure out things that do things different ways to make money. So everybody out there that's paying attention, that's listening to my videos, that's hearing what I'm saying and listening to what I'm saying and interpreting it the right way, I really do appreciate y'all. I really do. So really do thank y'all for supporting the channel. Really do thank y'all, just because a lot of people just don't get it. A lot of people don't watch or pay attention to the video. Then they write me and ask me questions like, oh, come on now. Be an adult. Pay attention, all right? So shout out to everybody that's been paying attention. Shout out to all my King Hussle fans and supporters, because without y'all, there be no me. Y'all motivate me keep going. Y'all motivate me keep dropping sauce. Y'all motivate me keep y'all entertained, all right? So shout out to y'all. Still looking for people for the production company, models, actors, rappers, producers, cameramen, content creators, all that good stuff like that. A limited gym, still $500 for a couple more days for the rest of the week. Book your seat right now on the crypto tour, in-person limited gyms, $3,500 in-state. 45 I come out of state to you. $500 deposit. The rest of the money will be in person. It's your boy King Hussle. We're going to keep dropping this information, keep dropping these gems, keep winning. Y'all know how to contact me. Links is in the bio. Stop getting scammed by these fake King Hussle pages and let's win together, man. It's your boy King Hussle. I'll see you at the next video. Peace.